Hey Alexis. So here's the deal. Just visualize cutting it into triangles. They're all going to be congruent triangles because this is a regular polygon. So find the area of one triangle, 1/2 base times height. But since it's a regular polygon, all of these are 18.9. So the area of just this triangle would be 1/2 of 18.9 times 13. Okay, and that would be the area of just this one triangle. But all the triangles are the same, so we're going to take that answer, and hopefully you can visualize that you have 5 of those, same as the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So take that answer, and you're going to multiply it by 5. Okay, and that's how you find the area of a regular polygon. Now that formula is actually 1/2 SAN. S stands for the length of one side. A is the apothem. It's called apothem. It's this length up here. It looks like the height of the triangle. And N is the number of sides. So that's exactly what we did, 1/2 SAN. Okay? You can also say there's another formula that's 1/2 PA. Okay? The P is for perimeter. Because if I take the length of one side, the 18.9, times the number of sides, 5, multiply those two, that is the same as perimeter. So you can use either formula. I usually just use this one. Okay? So 1/2 SAN. Find the area of one triangle and multiply by the number of triangles. Now that'll work for the first 6, 7, or 8 problems. Then when you get to the last 4, you're missing the height or the apothem. So let me show you what to do for that. So for these ones, this is number 8. You can see you're missing the apothem, that height that you need. So to start with, just draw one triangle. Okay, and the first thing I want you to find is what is this angle right here? So visualize how many triangles you actually have. You don't have to draw this every time though. And if I'm trying to find this angle, then it's 360 degrees divided by 5. So 360 divided by 5 would give me that this angle right here is 72. So now you know that angle is 72, but what we really need is the apothem, this guy right here. That height of that triangle is what I really need. So I'm going to redraw that triangle, but just draw half of it, the right triangle part. Okay? This is my apothem that I need to find. This angle up here, if this whole angle was 72 and I just cut it in half, then this angle is 36. And this is half of the whole thing. So if this whole thing was 4, then this is 2. So now to find the apothem that you need, it's going to be tangent. Tangent of the angle is equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay, now solve for A and don't round it. Okay, multiply both sides by A. That doesn't get A by itself, so you're going to have to divide by the tangent of 36. So it's 2 divided by tangent of 36 in your calculator. Now when you get that number, whatever that is, you can write down a rounded value for it just to write it down, but don't round it. Use the whole number in your calculator and put that into the final formula of this. Let me get my calculator and see what that equals. Okay, so 2 divided by tangent of 36 is approximately 2.75 or 2.8 or whatever, but again, I might write that down. I'm not going to use that number. I got to use the whole number in my calculator. So the final answer is going to be 1/2. S was 4. A is the number in my calculator, and N is the number of sides, 5. When you multiply that out, I'm going to take this number that's still in my calculator and hit times, and I'll multiply by the 4, and then multiply by the 5, and then I'll divide by 2 at the end. So my final answer, now you round, 27.5. Hope that helped. Bye.